Okay, so now we want to see, can we improve the accuracy of our estimation? And we're going to do so using convexity. And the equation for convexity is that we take 1/2 of, and it's very similar to the duration calculation, we've got price in the bottom, but in the top we've got the summation from t equals 1 to t, and now we've got t times by t plus 1 times by the cash flow received in year t, discounted at the yields to maturity. So let us calculate that. Unfortunately, we've rubbed off the calculations that we've had before, so we'll just quickly undertake those calculations again. So I'll work out t times by t plus 1 times by the present value. So I'll just grab my calculator. So the first cash flow was a 50, so 50 divided by 1.1 times by t, which is 1, times by t plus 1, which is 2, so we get a 90.91 there. Next we had 50 divided by 1.1 squared, times by t, which is 2, times by 3, which is 247.93. Then I've got 50 divided by 1.1 to the power of 3, times by t, which is 3, times by t plus 1, which is 4, which gives me 450.79. Then I take my 50 divided by 1.1 to the power of 4, times by 4, times by t plus 1, that's 5, to give me 683.01. And finally we had our 1050 divided by 1.1 to the power of 5, times by 5, times by 6, which gives us a huge number, 19,559.02. Let me just add all of those together. 90.91 plus 247.93 plus 450.79 plus 683.01 plus 19559.02 gives us that 21,031.66. So of course I divide by P, 810.47, divided by 810.47, and times by 1/2, they give me an answer of 12.97. So an answer for the convexity of 12.97. So now we need to determine how we make this correction for convexity. So let me just remove that. So previously we had the equation. It was minus d times by delta I over 1 plus I, or delta 1 plus I over 1 plus I. Now we need to add something in. So our change in price is equal to minus d times by delta 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I. And now we add in something. We add in something which is that the convexity. So the greater is this, the greater is the curvature, and the greater the curvature, the more we need to add in. And then we multiply this by delta 1 plus I, sorry I missed out the 1 there, divided by 1 plus I squared. So the additional term that we add in is driven by the convexity. So of course the convexity is 12.97. The delta 1 plus I, well, that's our change in interest rates. It was 10%, it's going down to 9%, so that's minus 0.01 divided by 1.1. But of course this is all squared. So if I take that term there, so minus 0.01 divided by 1.1, if I square that, and then I multiply that by 12.97, I get quite a small answer. If I just multiply it by 100, we'll see the adjustment. It's an additional 0.107%. So just a small correction that's going to increase the accuracy of this calculation.